Hey my Zay dolls, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, what's up, what's good? It's your girl Zayro, and I am back with another freaking video. Hey y'all, so this is my first voiceover video, so we gonna get right into it, y'all. Like, first of all, I don't even know, like, I don't know how to explain this video, but first we gonna get into it with the baggie. This hair is from Unice. It was a 5x5. We haven't did 5x5 closures in a minute. First, I think that's like some little band they had. They gave us silk scarf, which I definitely be using, and it came in handy. I don't know what that was about, but yeah. The next in the bag, they gave clips. I love when they give me some clips. They gave mad lashes and this cute ass necklace. When I tell y'all that necklace was so freaking cute, I'ma wear it. I'ma definitely wear it. So this right here is the wig or whatever. I haven't did a closure in a minute, so I was kind of skeptical, but apparently they had some HD or some invisible, whatever lace it was. Y'all know how they get with the lacing, but I bleached it, bestie plucked it, and I'm installing it. Yeah, I already had glued the cap down or whatever and let that sit, so we just gonna cut that off and then put that foundation on, and y'all gonna see me install this wig. Okay, so let's get into the fact. I did not know how I was about to cut this cap. Like, I was just so confused because it's not a full frontal. So my ears and stuff wasn't tacked down. But I'm like, is this cap gonna come up like all around my head? Like, it just wasn't given. I guess normally that's why people be sewing their shit down. But I don't got time for that. The way I switch wigs, I do not need no cap sewn into my head. So y'all already know my foundation I use from Maybelline. We're gonna put that all over our cap to give it, you know, same color, complexion, or whatever, yada yada yada. And this little 5x5 cap was given for the girls. Like, I was here for it. First of all, let me tell y'all how lazy I was, because I did not fully clean my forehead and the glue off from the last wig, because this was so last minute, y'all. So look at all that glue caked up right there on the side of my head. That is just nasty. It is giving dirty dirt neck. Like, that's really disgusting. And how you gonna put another wig on top of that? Like, you just got no care in the world. Just look at you. Like, look, you would have thought nobody was seeing that. Like, you just going about your business. So y'all already seen me use my foundation to put on like the little lace space so it could still give like color, melt, lace, invisible, where are you, shit like that. I normally cut the combs out of my wigs, but this wig I didn't, because I needed it to be just a little bit more secure other than glue. I don't know, like, I don't be feeling secure with 5x5s, but the lace on this was definitely given. It was there. I was happy with it. Like, it wasn't giving yellow lace. It wasn't giving great lace. It was really like, okay, y'all really outdid yourself, Unice. Like, okay, it's not only y'all frontals that's good, it's y'all closures as well. Right here, I'm just trying to straighten up my part or whatever. Bestie is actually on the side of me, so if y'all see me like laughing or like doing dumb shit, it's because it's her right there. Like, I'm not just a nutcase and I'm talking to myself or whatever like I normally do, but whatever. So if y'all watch my videos, then y'all know I will hot comb the hell out of a frontal to get it flat as ever. Honestly, right here, I don't know what was going on. Like, something went into my eye and I just started panicking. Like, I don't like when shit get close to my eyes. I'm already blind, so when something be wrong, yeah, it be World War Z, because I don't know. So now I'm just prepping to lay my glue down and cut my lace off or whatever. It's giving very much clumsy queen, but it's fine. And then it's giving Miss Independent. I was determined to get that clip out on my own, like, period. So we're gonna go on with our Ghost Bond, that little ass $17.99 bottle in the Beauty Supply store. And I don't know what's the other glue. I don't know if it's that one or the other one. That'd be like $22 for the little bottle. Like, what is in the bottle? Crack? Like, what the hell is y'all out here selling for $17 to $22? But normally I just like do dots or just put it in the line, but I kind of did like zigzag, and we're gonna smear it out because I want the glue to really like get everywhere. I need as much like snatch and all of that. So I think I did like about 2 or 3 layers, or I only showed y'all 2 layers, but just know that thing was glued, okay? That thing was glued. Okay, so if you don't know, then I'm telling you now, your girl is an apple juice fiend, okay? Like, and that's the $3 bottle. The $3 Tropicana. I don't even get the regular dollar one or maybe the $1.50. No, I get the whole $3 and your girl finishes it. Sometimes I might buy two. So don't watch me. I think this is the third layer of glue that I'm putting on. And then after that, we're going to let that dry. Take a break. And then we're going to lay this closure. Shitting me? First off, when I got this close up on my forehead, I realized how dirty it was. So I had to give it an alcohol wipe down from all that old glue up there. Like I said, it's getting very much dirty. But I thought I put this closure where I wanted it to be. But once I cut the lace, I realized that it was kind of too far back. I mean, no, it was too far forward. Could have gave a little bit more. No, I think it was. Whatever. But yeah, so right now I'm just giving it a little comb through on the lace or whatever. Make sure it's sticking. I don't know where my band was. Bestie didn't know where hers was. So we just used this little cotton band right here. It held it down. It did the job. And that was it for like the lace. Now about this hair here. When I tell y'all, this hair was good, girl. Like I didn't know what to do with it or whatever. First of all, I love me a sheen, y'all. Love me a sheen. What? When you do that sheen, you can do that hot comb. It is giving sizzle to the dome, okay? Sizzle to the dome. Definitely can't remember what me and Bestie was talking about, but I know for sure we was definitely talking about somebody's daughter or somebody ain't shit ass son, because that's all it gives nowadays. But your girl was weak, okay? Like, it was giving weak. Like, I couldn't even hold it no more. And I really wish y'all could have heard the joke, but, nah. Yo, I done hot combed them damn roots so many freaking times. Like, it better have been that flat. Like, and I wanted it to be flat if you ask me, but hey. It was so many other clips of me hot combing the hair that I had to take it out. As many hot comb clips I took out, boom, still got more hot comb clips. I was just like, girl, like, you would have thought I was giving a hot comb tutorial and not the install. I finally got it to where I wanted it or where I liked or was comfortable with. Like, it's like pulling teeth, but it did its job. I took that little scarf band that they gave and we laid that shit down. Because, you know, after you get the little sheen and then you hot comb and then you lay that shit down, girl, it get flatter than flat, okay? Flatter than flat. So we left that on for probably about, I'm not even gonna lie, probably like a good 20 minutes or whatever. And then I came back and we took that band off to cut that lace. And when I tell y'all, just wait. When I tell y'all that lace was lacing, that lace was lacing. Like, I was like, okay. I was trying to show y'all how full the hair was right here. But y'all know that factory body wave hair be so, like, real strong. That shit snapped back like a motherfucker. I was like, okay. Like, I didn't want to brush it out. I didn't want to flat iron it. I didn't want to recurl it. I like that natural body wave that it come with. But y'all know that shit don't be lasting long. So I clipped the hair back up to start cutting the lace. And at first I was skeptical. But this is when I realized that I had the wig too far back when I started the cutting. So I ain't even gonna cap the light in a little But do y'all see how I'm cutting that lace? And you don't even know, like, you don't even see the lines of the lace. Like, you don't see where the lace is stopping, where it's starting. You don't see none of that, where the little hairs is coming out of. Like, it gave melted, it gave laid down, it gave skin, it gave where is the lace. Like, where's all dope, bitch, where is Zero's lace? Like, and that's just that. But the company was feeding for this video because I was going to give them a little dedication video in front of a vlog. But they like, no, we want our video like this. Like, this is a really good video. And of course, they was talking about a video with no damn views. Almost my least amount of views that I got on YouTube. But I'm like, you know what? Let me give y'all a little razzle dazzle. Let me give y'all my first little voiceover so it could get a little tuned in. Right here, I'm just going in with extra glue on the pieces that, like, I did miss, which was just the size basically. This is the main reason why I never really cared for like 5x5, 6x6, 4x4s. If you're still wearing a 4x4, how old are we? But y'all know what I'm saying. My sides used to never stay down. Like that little thick ass lace, that piece right there, that piece that people normally be sewing, no, my shit do not be staying. Like, oh my God. And if it don't be both sides, it be one side, and then it be the side that I like the best when I first had did it. And it's like, girl, why did you switch up on me like that? Like, whatever. Right here, I'm just going into parts of the little lace and of the closure to go through it and really hot comb that bitch. When I tell y'all I'm a hot comb fiend, like if I got hot comb the whole damn head and it would be straight, flat, and silk, I'll do that. But that would be pointless because that's why they made flat irons, right? I don't know if y'all gave y'all the full detail of here, but before this little voiceover is over, this is the Unice 24-inch 5x5 lace closure body wave wig. Okay, mamas? No, funny, now that I'm watching the video, I don't think I had too much forehead out. Like, the way the lace was plucked was fire. Like, Bessie really did that. So, it really fit with me. Like, I like when my frontal or, like, closures got that little, like, the hair in the front, like, in the middle of the part, or the hair on the side of the part, if y'all get what I'm saying, come down, like, further than everything else. So, like, it gives that little, like, avatar point in the front of your head. I love that, girl. I love that. So that was kind of like that, and it would have been even more if I would like use the sides of the hair for baby hair. But we didn't need no baby hair because it's a 5x5. Like, it's no need to get fancy. This wig probably wasn't even staying off that long, which it really didn't. It was like a week or less. I know how I get now. These hair sponsors be coming in and your girl be like, switch to the wig, switch to the wig, switch to the wig. I think it said, switch up my wig, make it feel like he cheating. That's what Megan said, right? Hold on. Okay, you guys, so this is the end of this video. Hope you guys enjoyed my first voiceover. I had different plans for this video, but apparently the company had different plans for the video, but it's whatever. I didn't know how I was really gonna care for this, but because it is a 5x5, as you guys can see, and it still gives though. Like, what I would say, I think they said this is like HD lace or whatever, or some, y'all know how they get with these laces, but it's pretty good. As you guys can tell, it did melt or whatever. I had bleached the knots before the video, and then Bestie plucked it and I just put it on, and it's giving. You know how sometimes bitches be having, females be having like baby hairs with their 5x5. I don't think I need that because I like the little natural like look it gives. My forehead does look really big, but you know what, it's fine. It will be, but if a baby hairs, they probably be like that or whatever. And now bitches baby hairs be like this, like. So yeah, you guys, this is the end. The hair is really full, I would say. I think this is I probably gave y'all all the hair deets in the voiceover, but yeah, the hair is really full. I'm filling the hair. This is gonna be a long time wig. Let's see how long we can keep it, since it's not a full frontal and we don't really gotta worry about that much lace. But you guys will see this wig in the upcoming vlog after this. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, this voiceover. You guys, if you know what I'm about to say, I want you to like, comment, share, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel if you have not already. It's your girl Zayra, and I'm out. Later.